Welcome, in front of me is a myPhone IRM3, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD into the device. So to get started, let's pop out the tray, which is located behind this flap right here. You can use only nails to pull out. As you can see, there is a tiny little thing that you can grab with your nail. As you can see, there it goes. So once you pull out the tray, you can place on it your SIM card and SD. Like so. Make sure it's laying flush on there. There's nothing really holding it as well. So when inserting it back into the device, I advise just to take the device and just, well, not to drop it like I just did, but just hold it flat and then insert it back in there. This one doesn't want to go all the way. There we go. So now I assume there will be a pin. So there we go, the pin for the SIM card. Let's insert that. And well, the SIM card is obviously working, and I can already see that the SD is as well based on the... There we go. That's a SIM card and SD card ready to use. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.